Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So today is a small achievement day, and I wanted to share with you, and that's why I'm doing this kind of vlog because in the entire sweat and all. So today I managed to do 50 push-ups at once, and I know it's not that much. I know it's not that great, but still it's a small achievement for me. From where I started, it was like 15-20, and now I've reached up to 50. So it's really great, and I can see the changes. I can see. Like all positive changes that are happening around me, so that's really great. I just wanted to share with you that. Now let's continue with the vlog. Finally I'm back. I did some work, and today is a very special day because today is Raksha Bandhan, and I'm really excited for two things. One is that one of my sisters is coming today at my house, and please note that every precaution has been taken while she's coming to my house. So she stays in Mumbai only, and she's coming here. It's like almost 15-20 minutes away, her house. And the second thing is my younger sister, who is a cousin sister who lives in Pune, has sent some special item, a special gift or something for me. So I'm really excited to receive that, and it's going to come today. That I just received a notification about it. So once it comes, I'm going to unbox it, and I'm really excited about it. So let's wait for that. So this monkey is finally here.
Hi.
Say something.
Please don't put me on the spot.
Please.
I think just happy Raksha Bandhan to all the brothers and the sisters out there. I think I've read a lot about how Raksha Bandhan can be perceived patriarchal, but I think it's more than that. It's not about girls tying Rakhi in exchange for protection from their brother, but also just I think it goes both ways now. Like girls can also protect their brothers, and it's just that. I mean, it's just about the love that a brother and a sister share between each other.
Too deep.
Oh.
So finally the packages arrived, and let's quickly unbox it. So this package was sent by my cousin Aditi, who stays in Pune actually. She's just 10 years old, and this really great package. Let me just show you what it is quickly. Soon maybe I have to get one unboxing knife, but for now let's do it with scissors. So this gift was sent to me yesterday, I think. So it's a really great gift actually. A lot of thought has gone into it, I think. And this is the message she has written. It says, "Happy Raksha Bandhan, lots of love." So I call her Peppa Pig because she watches the cartoon Peppa Pig, and she watches it a lot, so I call her Peppa Pig. It's really great. And okay, so there's this bag, and in this bag, okay, oh, there's a Rakhi, I guess. Yes, there's a Rakhi. So I have two. So there's a Rakhi, and I've got a basket. So what? Okay, so these are the things inside. I'm not sure how to use it. So basically the concept of this Rakhi is it's a plantable Rakhi. So I think all the ingredients are in this. So you just have to add it into this pot, and then there might grow a plant. So I think that's the concept of this. Actually, it's a really great initiative taken by my sister, who is just 10 years old, and a lot of thought has gone into it. If you are wondering who's my sister, you just want to see it. So that's a photo. I guess you might see Pop here somewhere. She's just really cute, and I think if a 10-year-old can take up this initiative of having like such a great thought behind this of having a plantable Rakhi, we all can do the same. So it's a really great thing. It's a really special gift actually. So I'm just really lucky to have her as my sister, and I'm really proud of her. So yeah, that's about it. So let's see how we can do this actually. Let's try some techniques. Okay, so I've got these instructions on them. So we have cocoa coins here. We are placing it in a plate, and after which we'll pour water in it, and this will convert it into soil. We have filled the pot up to its surface level, and now we are going to take this Rakhi and we are going to sew it. I think we have to remove this, and here it goes. Okay. So we have kept the plant outside, and now after 30 to 40 days 2 or 3 leaves will come out of that, and then we have to add a packet of micronutrients. I guess I've kept them outside, I think. So we have to add that, and after 30 to 40 days we have to have another pot with fertile soil, and then we have to sow the entire pot into that, after which a plant will grow. So that's really amazing. I never did this kind of thing, and now I'm doing it. I'm so lucky to have a sister like this. So thank you, Aditi, and I'm really proud of you, and it's a really great gesture that you have sent a plantable Rakhi, not just any other Rakhi. So thank you for that. Anyways, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Please do share with your friends and families, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.